Welcome back to the Eric Tech Stuffs channel. Here today we're working with the Sadelta phone. Now, like I said before, this is a very nice one. I actually have seen many of these in two pieces because the hinge breaks. But thankfully this is not the case on this one. But yes, this is the Sadelta Echomaster Pro. It's a very nice little microphone, kind of futuristic for the 90s futuristic look. Very nice. Definitely going to have an electric mic in there. And on the back side here we have our switch, which would be our Roger beep. And I am definitely hoping it is the classic Sadelta two-tone Roger beep. And it has a very nice meter here. And there's a light there to let you know when you TX. Got a lock. Got our PTT right there. We can PTT it, hold it down, and it stays lit. Definitely doing nice with my voice. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Very pounding. Of course, I have the modulation all the way up. Hello, testing 1, 2. Still very nice for not really being directed into it. Hello, testing 1, 2. Audio. Yeah, still pounding it. All right, so what we're going to do is just power this up, verify it works. Obviously, the meter works, but make sure the mic wiring on it just to a Cobra 4 pin, and we're going to use the Striker V2 as my microphone tester. I'm just going to use the talk back on it and change it from a dynamic mic to electric mic and the settings, but we'll be back. All right, with the Sadelta Echomaster Pro. Okay, I have not used this radio in quite some time. This is the Striker version 2, the 955. I have just let this sit around, unfortunately. I need to get this back on the air and use it, I guess, or sell it. I mean, this is ridiculous. It's radio abuse, ladies and gentlemen. But yes, we're going to use this as a glorified mic tester. What we're going to do, I'm going to hold the function down, get into the sub-function menu. We'll go into microphone and verify it is not a dynamic microphone, since this is an electric microphone. So we're going to go ahead and check this. So we just hit the function after we hold it for 2 seconds, and you can see all the other functions and stuff you can do with it. If we can just get to the mic setting, there we go, dynamic. And we'll change that to electric. Of course, we have the receiver noise reduction. That is not compression. So we have this set up now, and we're going to give this a good test run on the Striker. This should work. We saw the microphone meter working. Let's hope it goes all the way out through the cord. So we're going to plug this in and test it with the talkback on. One moment, please. Okay, we have everything set up now, and we have our radio in talkback mode, and we'll give it a little volume here, and we should hear something out of the magical speaker. And of course, this is definitely going to be an electric microphone because it doesn't have enough room for a cartridge. So yes, if it's a regular handheld mic, you want dynamic. If you have one of these electric microphones, you want to switch it over to that setting. So let's go ahead and test it, verify we got something going on here. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio testing 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, we're bouncing on the meter and we hear it on the radio. Very nice. That's what we want to see. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let's go ahead and throw some echo. Now, if I don't put the delay on, that'll just be reverb, and I'll sound like a 90s trucker and Iron Man together. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. We got to turn our modulation down a little bit, and we can delay it. Let's go ahead, hit our delay. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio testing 1, 2. I think that sounds perfect for sideband. I think I'm going to use this all the time on sideband. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. No, I will not use it all the time on sideband. Goodness, that would sound like trash, but I do hear it a lot. Audio testing 1, 2. Well, that definitely does work. So we're going to go ahead and turn that down. Let's stop being a teenager. And we're going to try our sweet little, and I sure hope it is the two-tone Sadelta Roger beep that I love a lot. Audio testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't mind that whatsoever. Everyone else seems to not like the tones. Of course, I don't do that on sideband. Actually, I haven't used Roger beeps in quite some time, but I can. Maybe I can find it on the striker here. Let's see if we can get real goofy with it. We'll keep the Sadelta Roger beep on, and then we'll use our version 2 Roger beep on top of it. Why not? We're having some fun with the Sadelta, and we're all on a dummy load, so it's perfectly fine. All right, before we get too annoying, we got to go ahead and change our Roger beep. So we got to go into Program, and we can go through, and there's our RB. Hit Function again. RB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do RB 5. Function again. Boom, we're out of that. And now, when we have our Roger beep, it's on. So let's go ahead and plug this thing back in and get annoying real quick. All right, the annoying part of the video. If the whole video wasn't already annoying as it is, but this one here, we're going to play around with the Roger beep and just add on to the existing Roger beep on the 955 with the Sadelta. So what the 955 Roger beep is set up as now is, let's see. They're coming for all of us. Get your mashed potatoes and start making your sculptures. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw it all together just for fun and giggles. So yeah, if you put all this together and just crank everything up, this is almost the most perfect setup for sideband. I mean, who wouldn't want to talk to you? Right? I mean, you got to think about that. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Breaker, breaker on channel 38 sideband. Okay. Well, anyway, we had a little bit of fun here with this Sadelta Echomaster Pro. It definitely works. Everything is in great shape with that. And I actually dusted off the version 2 of the 955. That's been sitting around. And unfortunately, yes, it is radio abuse. I am guilty as charged. I do apologize, and I will be back at it in another video. But yes, we're good with the Echomaster Pro from Sadelta, and everything works as it should. We have a lot more microphones to go through, and boy, do I have some surprises for you. And I had some surprises given to me, so I'm definitely going to go ahead and share that in the next couple videos. All right, we'll see you 73. I hope you see you on the air, hear you on the air, not see you on the air. If I see you on the air, that's new technology. Anyway, we'll say 73 Eric Tech Stuffs. Do appreciate you. Like, sub, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.